everyone, I'm Deepthi and today I want to tell you about the lifelong 500 watts mixer grinder. This multi-purpose mixer grinder is equipped with 4 jars, 3 stainless steel jars for grinding nuts, pulses and making chutneys. There are 2 Nutri Bullet jars for making smoothies and juices. It has a 500 watt turbo motor, a speed regulating knob for varying speed limits and an overload safety button for safety. The jars come with PP lids to keep the contents in place and the blades are sturdy and rust resistant. It is designed with a high-grade plastic body and has anti-skid feet for stability. So if you're looking for an efficient mixer grinder, the lifelong 500 watts mixer grinder can help with all your grinding, blending and pureeing needs. Get yours today. When it comes to buying a mixer grinder, there are several factors to consider to ensure you get the best product that suits your culinary needs and provides efficient performance. Mixer grinders are versatile kitchen appliances that combine blending, grinding and mixing functionalities. Here's a comprehensive buying guide to help you make the right choices. Motor power. The motor is the heart of a mixer grinder. Consider the motor power measured in watts to determine the grinder's performance. Higher wattage ensures efficient grinding and handling tough ingredients. Number of jars. Check the number of jars included with the mixer grinder. Different jars serve various purposes such as wet grinding, dry grinding, chutney making and blending. Opt for a model that offers the right combination of jars for your cooking needs. Jar sizes. Consider the sizes of the jars to ensure they meet your family's requirements. Smaller jars are ideal for grinding spices and making chutneys, while larger jars are suitable for blending and grinding larger quantities. Material and build quality. Look for mixer grinders made from durable materials such as stainless steel, which ensures longevity and easy maintenance. High quality materials also prevent corrosion and enhance overall performance. Speed settings. Choose a mixer grinder with multiple speed settings to adjust the grinding speed according to the ingredients being processed. Variable speed options provide better control and prevent overprocessing. Safety features. Safety is crucial in kitchen appliances. Ensure the mixer grinder has safety features like overload protection and locking systems to prevent accidents and motor damage. Noise level. Consider the noise level of the mixer grinder. Look for models with low noise operation to ensure a quieter cooking experience. Ease of cleaning. Opt for a mixer grinder with detachable and easy to clean blades and jars. Dishwasher safe components simplify the cleaning process. By considering these factors, you can choose a mixer grinder that meets your blending and grinding needs, provides efficient performance, and enhances your culinary experience. Happy shopping!